Makeover, back at it again with another reaction, and here with me is
the Perseverance guys.
So guys, today we're going to be reacting to MANESKIN singing Coraline. Guys, this was recommended to me by my viewers and I really want to check it out. So without further ado, let's get started.
Dimmi la tua verità, Coraline, Coraline, 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 Coraline bella come il sole, guerriera dal cuore zelante, capelli come rose rosse, preziosi quei fili di rame, amore portali da me. Se senti campane cantare, vedrai Coraline che piange, che prende il dolore degli altri e poi lo porta dentro lei. E Coraline, Coraline, dimmi le tue verità, Coraline, Coraline, dimmi le tue verità, Coraline, Coraline, dimmi le tue verità, Coraline, Coraline, però lei sa la verità. Non è per tutti andare avanti con il cuore che è diviso in due metà. Freddo già, una bambina però sente come un peso, prima o poi si spezzerà, la gente dirà, non vale niente, non riesce neanche a uscire da una misera porta, ma un giorno, una volta lei ci riuscirà. Ho detto a Coraline che può crescere, prendere le sue cose e poi partire, ma sente un mostro che la tiene in gabbia, che le ricopre la strada di mine. E ho detto a Coraline che può crescere, prendere le sue cose e poi partire, ma Coraline non vuole mangiare, no. Sì, Coraline vorrebbe sparire, e Coraline piange, Coraline ha l'ansia, Coraline vuole il mare, ma paura e forse il mare è dentro di lei. E ogni parola è un'ascia, un taglio sulla schiena, come una zattera che naviga in un fiume in piena. E forse il fiume è dentro di lei.
Måneskin. These guys are really good, guys.
Sarò il fuoco ed il freddo, riparo d'inverno, sarò ciò che respiri, capirò cosa hai dentro.
Guys, I just love the way he's singing, like the way he's just enjoying the song is so nice. Like from the beginning, it was just sounding cool, and later on, the instrument just went higher, and that was amazing. I've reacted to MANESKIN before on his channel at the Perseverance, so please do check it out. The performance is always awesome. Like I just love this band group. Whenever they're just on the stage, they're always giving us the best, and this right here is nothing less than that. How's it for you?
Guys, I always love Måneskin. Like whenever they sing, whenever they come on stage, guys, and perform, they always perform magic every time, guys. This is beautiful. I love the tone. I love the rhythm of the music. I love how cool the music sounded at first. They were just going. I just want to pay more attention to the way they were singing, and when the beats went high, that was a beautiful moment. I love the unity with it there. It's so beautiful. This is a really beautiful music, and I love the concept about the video. Guys, we can't wait to see what they have to offer. So guys, let's get into it.
Sarò l'acqua da bere, il significato del bene. Sarò anche un soldato con la luce di sera e in cambio non chiedo niente, soltanto un sorriso, ogni tua piccola lacrima è oceano sopra il mio viso e in cambio non chiedo niente, solo un po' di tempo, sarò vessillo scudo o la tua spada d'argento.
Give me the energy, guys.
Coraline piange, Coraline ha l'ansia, Coraline vuole il mare ma paura dell'acqua e forse il mare è dentro di lei. E ogni parola è un'ascia, un taglio sulla schiena, come una zattera che naviga in un fiume in piena e forse il fiume è dentro di lei.
They are really good at an instrument. Damn!
Wow, that's beautiful. I love this.
Måneskin.
Ma dimmi la tua verità, Coraline, Coraline, 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 Coraline bella come il sole, ha perso il frutto del suo ventre, non ha conosciuto l'amore, un padre che di padre ha niente, le han detto in città c'è un castello, mura talmente potenti che se ci va a vivere dentro non potrà colpirti più niente, non potrà colpirti più niente.
Wow.
Beautiful.
You really do have a beautiful voice, guys. This is beautiful, guys. I love how his tone, the tone of his voice is, guys. It's just really satisfying to listen to. And guitar they were playing, guys. I love both of them, the guy and the girl. They came together, they were playing it with a lot of effort. And the guy also playing the drum. He did awesome work, guys. This is a beautiful music. I love how heartfelt the music is and the sincerity in his voice, guys. I feel that this is a beautiful lyrics too. I enjoyed listening to this. Every time I hear Måneskin, I just want to like concentrate. I just want to pay more attention. I just want to shout out, guys, and also let a lot of people know who these artists are. They are great artists that they want to hear more from. How is it for you?
I just love them. Like every time I always say this, I love the way they will always wear the same outfit. Like they're always dressing alike. That is so wonderful. Each time they're on stage, you just see them, their crew, and they wear the same things together. Like MANESKIN, the love among them is just so wonderful. Like the band people, I just love the love. I love the effort they add to the music every time. The instrumentalists are so good. Those the ones playing the guitar, they're so amazing. Like each time they're playing, they just add a lot of effort to it. The drummer, he's always in the mood. Like he's always in the mood. Each time he just with the stick, he's always in the mood, and he don't stop till the song is over. Like he's always feeling himself every time. And this piece right here is amazing. I love it, and I really want to check out more of MANESKIN's songs. So please do recommend more of the songs for us to react to, guys. So guys, don't not think about our reaction in the comment section. If you want to see more of us, and sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you on the next one.